So circles are a very fundamental skill to sketching that a lot of people are intimidated by. It's actually not that hard. It just requires a lot of practice, a little bit of muscle memory. A very good technique for drawing circles is to sort of ghost. You'll see what I'm doing is I'm doing the gesture of the circle before I'm actually applying the pressure down. And that kind of gets my arm in sort of the right modality to actually draw the circle. And you may want to experiment with going both counterclockwise and clockwise. You can do it both ways. It's good to kind of practice both ways and find what makes you most comfortable. Another very useful technique is to create some construction. So I have a blue pencil. To actually construct a box first, because boxes are much easier to draw. And once you've got your box, you actually have some boundaries for your circle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually find the center point of that box. So I'm going to draw a diagonal through two corners, and I'm going to draw another diagonal through two corners. That gives me the center point here. Then I'm also going to draw lines through the middle of the sides. Now the way circles work is that they're going to touch the edges of the sides. But then on the corners, they're going to come about a third of the way towards the center. So they're going to come about here. They're going to come about here. And they're going to come about here. And come about here. By doing that, you've got a nice kind of construction or framework for the circle. Now you can come in and do the actual circle. And in this case, I'm actually kind of slowing down a little bit. So you can experiment with all different sizes. Let's do a slightly bigger one. Accuracy's a little bit off here, that's okay. So that's how you draw circles. So keep practicing.